To add and change keyboard language for Honor 600 Pro, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to enter system and updates, and then we can go to the language and input. Click on the emoji keyboard, and then we can go to the settings. Select the language, and then you can activate multi-language input. Now add whichever language you want to use from this list. In this case, let's go for this one right here. When your language is added, let's go back and open our keyboard. From here, you can click and hold the space button, which for some reason it doesn't work that well, but it doesn't work in the apps. Let's try it in Google. I really like this phone, but it's broken in many different ways. So if we hold it here, it works fine. As you can see, we can switch between those two input languages that we've added. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.